Hello dear students, today we are going to study English chapter 9, Talk in Limit. Dear students, there are some students who speak unnecessarily all the time. There are many children who does not know the value of what ones speak or what we speak. In this lesson, we will learn that we should not speak unnecessarily. We should speak only when it is needed, because a lot of talk may sometimes hurt others' feelings. Now let's read the lesson. There was a shy boy whose name is Sagar, and he remained always quiet even in the classroom. And because of that, all other children made fun of him, and this made Sagar sad. Sagar thought about this for a few days, and finally, one day he decided to speak to his teacher. He asked to his teacher that, was there any good in talking a lot? This means Sagar wanted to know if it is useful to talk always and talk unnecessarily. The teacher was impressed, and the teacher smiled and said to him by giving the example of toads and frogs that croak day and night, but no one pays any attention to them. The teacher also said that rooster crows at a certain time. For example, like the rooster crows early in the morning and wakes up everyone, which is very essential and useful for all. Again, the teacher smiled and explained to Sagar that there is no good comes out of in talking a lot. And the teacher also said, when you speak too much, sometimes you may say things without thinking, and it may hurt someone's or others' feeling. So the teacher explained to Sagar that it is important to say the right thing at the right time. Now Sagar understood what his teacher had explained or told him. So Sagar smiled and said to his teacher that he knows we should always talk in limit, or we should not speak too much unnecessarily, and we should not speak when there is no need to do so. So dear students, we learn from this lesson that we should know what to speak, when to speak, and how to speak. We should not speak too much, or else we may hurt others' feelings. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you do understand the lesson. Thank you.